artists, and welcome to the art room. As you can tell, our art room looks a little bit different this year than it did last year, but that is okay. We no longer have our classroom carpet, but we'll be using our chairs more than sitting on the floor. And we have tabletop easels that we'll be putting clipboards on so that each student has their own space. We will also have individual supply caddies for each seat, so there will be less sharing of supplies this year, and the majority of the supplies you will bring from your own classroom. We'll have our clipboards here, so you've got your space kind of separate from the person across from you. Got some big open spaces this year, which is really nice. We still have our goals: create, respond, present, and connect. Those are the same. So we're already familiar with those, ready to go. And as always, we know the best way to be an artist is just to make art. And that's really what we're going to do. I might look a little different this year too, but always know that underneath the mask, I'm always smiling. Can't wait to see you guys. I'm so excited about making art with you this year. See you soon, artists!
Hello, and I've missed you. Can you tell it's me? I have on my mask. We're keeping it safe here at Highland Park in the library. I'm going to take it off right now for the rest of my video, but just know, when you see me in my mask, I'm still smiling underneath. See? Still smiling. Well, welcome to the library again. It hasn't changed a lot, but I sure have missed you. Things are going to be a little bit different than last year, but we can work together to get through this. We're going to be spaced out a little bit further on the carpet this year. When we go to get books, we're going to just send a few at a time, and we'll be spaced out a little bit further, getting our books when we check out. We are going to, of course, use lots of hand sanitizer, and we're not going to share supplies up in the library this year. You'll be bringing your supplies with you from your classrooms, so that will help the spread of germs. Also, after a lot of research, we believe that here at Highland Park that we've developed a plan for the safest way to clean books and get them back in your hands. So we've got that all set to go with the cleaning station. We'll have a cleaning station over here for books and a place for them to dry so they can be ready for the next person to use them. So all of those favorite books, we'll still get them in your hands. I sure do miss you, and I cannot wait to see you in just a couple of days. So here's a little quick look. Library still looks like home, doesn't it? Still looks like home. I miss you. I'll see you in a couple days.
Welcome to our music classroom. It looks a little bit different this year with more space between student spots.
Hello, I'm Miss Dow, the music teacher here at Highland Park Elementary. We're going to have an amazing year together, even though it might look a little bit different than in previous years at times. We will still be tuneful, beatful, and artful as we play instruments, improvise, compose music, and do a little bit of singing. To help keep us safe this year, students will be more spread out, instruments will be disinfected after every use, and I will be encouraging the use of masks, especially while singing. To more easily keep in touch about music news and assignments should we have to distance learn, I have set up a Remind group for each grade level. Remind is an app that allows me to text you reminders should you choose to sign up. I will also be using Synergy, my class website, and learning packets to teach this year as needed. More information will be coming home soon. We're going to have a great year together, and I can't wait to see you.
Hey Highland Park Tigers! It's me, Mrs. Kessner, your physical education teacher this year. I wanted to take a second to bring you into the gym, show you around, and talk a little bit about what this year is going to look like. All right, let's go.
now we're looking towards curtain side. And underneath the curtain, you can see the squad colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and pink. When you come in the first day, you're gonna be assigned a squad and a star. As you can see on the floor, the stars are perfectly socially distanced for us, a little more than 6 feet. That's really important because we're gonna work really hard this year to be socially distanced and keep ourselves safe.
Right now, we're standing alongside bleacher side, and as you can see behind me, we have our Mimeo board. This is our most important piece of equipment that we're gonna use this year. We're gonna use it for our warm-up, for our fitness activities, for our skills activities, to help us learn different things in health education. It is going to be the most used piece of equipment we have. We have to make sure that we're keeping that social distance so that we are safe for ourselves and for our friends in our class. So we're gonna use the Mimeo board a lot. When you come to physical education or PE, you're gonna see me wearing my mask in every class the whole time. Why am I wearing the mask? I'm gonna wear it to help protect you and everybody else in the gym. All right, but if you see me wearing my mask, don't freak out. It's still me, Mrs. Kessner. I'm really looking forward to PE at Highland Park this year. It may be a little different than what we're used to seeing in PE, but you know what? We can still work hard, we can still get physically fit, we can still have lots of fun and learn a lot, just in a different way of working and learning. And remember what we always say at Highland Park in my PE class: no matter what we do or how we do it, I can try, I will try, I can do. This is Mrs. Kessner, and I'm so looking forward to seeing you. Let's have a great year, Highland Park Tigers.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Grice, and I am our Highland Park Elementary School counselor. Welcome to my classroom. You might be asking yourself, what does a school counselor do? School counselors provide a comprehensive program that meets the academic, personal, social, and career needs of all students. We work confidentially with students and inform stakeholders of critical information on a need-to-know basis. Some of my services include small group counseling, individual counseling, classroom counseling, running the RTIB program, support teams and 504 coordination, consultation services with teachers, parents, and administration, and referrals to community agencies such as mental health organizations and local outreach services. I work with students on a variety of topics such as coping with grief and loss, divorce, friendship and peer conflicts, self-esteem, social skills, anger management, worry and anxiety, and much more. I can be reached by email at kgrice@murrayk12.org, through the school phone number at 931-388-7325, extension 6497, and I also have a Google Voice cell phone number set up at 931-398-5226.